Forbo presents its Modul'up range. But what is it? Modul'up is a 2-in-1 multi-support covering solution for adhesive-free installation on a wide range of surfaces. Twice as fast to install, Modul'up saves you time and money. Modul'up can be used for both new build and renovation projects for a perfect, professional result. Millions of square meters already installed are the pride of Forbo. Based in Reims, our technology made in France will meet all your needs. For housing with Modul'up Habitat and Modul'up Compact Habitat. For the education and tertiary sector with Modul'up Traffic. For the healthcare sector with Modul'up Compact. And for wet surfaces with Modul'up TE. At Forbo, we have created an efficient circularity system. All our products are destined to have a second life thanks to our back-to-the-floor recycling program available in many countries. In France, for example, we come to your warehouses and work sites to take back installation and removal waste. The used floors are taken to the Forbo factory in Reims to be reintegrated into the production process. A new floor covering production process is underway. Your floor covering are now on their way to a new life in your future work sites. And why not reuse them? With Modul'up, you can reuse your own floor coverings and reinstall them wherever you like. Modul'up solution for more life in your floor and more floors in your life.